Are you tired of being broke as a student? Are you stuck in the cycle of endless exams, part-time jobs, and wishing for a way out? What if I told you that in just a few months, you could be making $10,000 or more as a student? Sounds impossible? Stick with me, because in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you how you can turn your situation around and make money while still in school. You know the feeling. You're drowning in student loans, you're working at a job that barely covers your expenses, and every time you think about your future, it feels like you're stuck in a cycle with no way out. But what if I told you there was a way to escape this? A way to make money in your spare time, money that you don't have to rely on a traditional job for. The truth is, it's not about working harder. It's about working smarter. So if you're still scrolling through TikTok, wasting time on things that aren't bringing you closer to your goals, it's time to stop. You're wasting your biggest asset, time. Okay, here's where we flip the script. Let's break this down into 3 simple strategies that any student can start today to make $10,000. First, stop thinking you need to invent the next big product. The easiest way to make money fast is to offer a service. You don't need to build an app or create a product from scratch, whether it's social media management, tutoring, or video editing. Whatever skill you already have, there's someone out there who will pay for it. And the best part? You're leveraging your time to earn money, not your money to make money. You don't need a fancy degree to start where you are. A high school student can run a social media page for a local business. A college student can tutor younger students in subjects they've mastered. It's all about using what you have right now, today. Now here's where most people mess up. They think any client is a good client. Wrong. You don't have time to work for pennies. Go after the clients that value your work and pay you for it. And no, I'm not talking about charging $10 per hour, that's slave labor. Look at high-ticket clients, small businesses, entrepreneurs, and freelancers who need your service but can't afford to hire a full-time employee. That's your market, and they're everywhere. But how do you find them? Start by networking. Social media is your best friend here. LinkedIn, Instagram, even Facebook groups. But don't just pitch. Build relationships. Become someone people trust. Because when people trust you, they pay you. Here's the thing. You're not going to make $10,000 in one shot. But you can scale your efforts to make it happen. After you land a few clients, it's time to scale. Automate tasks, hire people to help you, and increase your rates as your reputation grows. This is where things get exciting. You're no longer working in your business, you're working on your business. It's not just about doing the work yourself anymore. It's about building systems that generate revenue even when you're not working. Imagine waking up to a notification that you just made $500 while you were asleep. That's the power of scaling. So let's recap. You've learned to offer a service, find high-ticket clients, and scale your efforts. But here's the catch. This doesn't work unless you take action now. It's easy to sit around and say, I'll get to it tomorrow. But time is the one resource you can't get back. So the longer you wait, the more opportunities you miss. Ask yourself, do you want to look back in 5 years and say, I wish I had started back in 2025? Or do you want to look at your bank account, smile, and say, I'm glad I started. But here's the kicker. What if I told you there's a secret that will accelerate this process and skyrocket your results? I'll reveal that in my next video. So, make sure you're subscribed and hit the bell so you don't miss out. If you want to dive deeper into how you can build wealth as a student, check out my next video right here. You won't want to miss it.